Look around you. People are used to believing that everything is in control. But from time to time, nature reminds us of its strength and power. And then we can only be surprised and eliminate the consequences of its creativity. Cappuccino Coast, one of the rarest phenomena in nature. This unique phenomenon was observed in different parts of the world, but mainly in the southern hemisphere. Maryland, USA, Queensland, New South Wales, Australia. Water on the coast of the beaches is covered with thick foam and turns the sea into a real sea cappuccino. In an amazing phenomenon, sea foam plays an active role. Algae are mixed with small debris and organic waste and then whipped into the foam by a strong wind. Foam gets a fairly stable structure that allows it to remain unchanged for a long time. Such an anomaly does not work for people and does not harm. As soon as it gets close to the coast, it immediately begins to melt. Mammatus cloud, another extremely rare and impressive natural phenomenon. They have a cellular structure and are a type of cumulus or cumulonimbus cloud. This phenomenon was discovered about 30 years ago. Usually, the observer sees mammatus in the form of gray clouds with darker elements that seem to hang down. Most often, such clouds are called harbingers of a hurricane. In the USA, the appearance of mammatus was previously associated with the upcoming tornado, but now it is generally accepted that their appearance does not mean that a tornado or tornado is about to happen. The fact that clouds form on the downward movements of the air makes them unique. Usually clouds form during upward flows. Luminous beaches of the Maldives. The magnificent beaches of one of the best resorts in the world in the Maldives at night glow blue. Caution, this is not dangerous. Scientists have found that all the secret is hidden in bioluminescent phytoplankton. It accumulates near the coast and when exposed to waves is poured by soft blue glow due to the fact that the cells of these simple organisms contain a special enzyme, luciferase. Glowing beaches in the Maldives can be observed quite often, especially on those nights when the moon is not visible in the sky. For divers and those who want to swim in the ocean of stars, even special night expeditions are organized. Frozen tsunami. In 2011, residents of the Canadian province of Manitoba heard a sound similar to the noise of an approaching train. After a few minutes, the ice filled their houses. It was the icy waves that came ashore like a slow-moving frozen tsunami, passing through the lawns and reaching coastal houses, forcing residents to leave their homes in a panic. A layer of ice covered 16 kilometers of the coastline and reached a height of 9 meters, damaging the doors and windows of houses. A similar event happened to the residents of the US in Minnesota. According to experts, the icy tsunami caused a strong wind which reached a speed of 60 kilometers per hour and rose from the south coast of Lake Mille Lacs, the second largest lake in Minnesota. Northern lights or aurora borealis. Most of the charged particles of the solar wind that reach our planet are reflected. However, some still manage to break into the Earth's magnetic field. These particles form a glow, colliding with air molecules in the upper part of the atmosphere, about 100 kilometers above the planet's surface. Yellow, green, and red colors arise due to the oxygen content in the air, and nitrogen is responsible for the blue and violet shades. This incredibly beautiful phenomenon is more likely to be seen from September 21st to March 21st. At this time in the northern latitudes, it gets dark very early, usually from 2100 to 2330. Countries that tourists and amateur photographers often travel to dream of seeing the aurora borealis are Finland, Norway, and the USA in Alaska. If you liked this video, please subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for more interesting videos coming soon. Thank you and have a great day.